Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745 and in this video I will show you how to adjust sound volume on this laptop. To do it, you can click these three icons on your status bar to enable the control center, and then to adjust the sound volume, move this slider either to the left to decrease the volume or to the right to increase it. Clicking this speaker volume, you can toggle your system sounds, and alternatively you can use the combination of F1 button and right-left shift button. At the same time, make sure that the indicator on your F1 button is switched off, and then you'll be able to use F6 for decreasing your sound volume and F7 button for increasing it. Additionally, you can use F5 button for toggling your system audio. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.